Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Serenade of the Seas. Now we're going to tour an interior stateroom right now. Before we do, I just wanted to point out, when you're ready to book your next room or suite, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of those interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group, and get that Harr Travel signature service and value every step of the way. Now we're going to start right here in the bedroom area of the room. So you see here you've got a large royal king size bed. They can also separate it out into twin size beds, and there's also some that'll have Pullman beds that come down from the ceiling. You can see that on those interactive deck plans on HarrTravel.com. Now if you separate the beds out into two twins, the two nightstands will push together in the middle, but either way you've got tons of room underneath for storage. Now over here in the living room area, and that's nice that they have this much space in an interior cabin, you're gonna have a love seat right here. It's gonna look directly across at the flat panel TV. It's interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship and of course watch television. Now that will also angle at the bed, so you can watch TV in bed if you prefer. Now here you're gonna find a small writing table that does double as a vanity. So you've got two US plugs and a Euro plug. There aren't plugs next to the bed, so I always bring a battery backup. I can charge it during the day, and then I can use it to charge my phone at night. In addition, I'll bring a USB splitter. I can plug it in, charge multiple devices, and then I also bring a European adapter so I can utilize all the plugs. You've got storage on either side here, storage underneath, and then right here you're gonna find a little bit more storage and also your safe. You've got a floor-to-ceiling mirror here to get ready, and then right here you're gonna find your storage. So you've got hanging storage right here, that'll pull down for more. It's the same on the other side as well, and then you've got storage up and down with shelves and shelves on the top. Now directly across, you're gonna find your bathroom. Now it's similar to all the bathrooms in the balconies, ocean views and insides. I'm 6'6", I'm a really big guy. I actually do fit in here. I love that they have shower doors that bow out instead of shower curtains. You're gonna have your adjustable shower wand right there. Now directly across, you've got your single vanity. This mirror does open up so you have storage, and then just a little bit more storage underneath, and the toilet's tucked in the corner. Now, when you're ready to book your next room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of the interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group, and get the Harr Travel signature service and value every step of the way.